Yeah, so this is the cultural center. It's in the middle of Kaohsiung, Taiwan, and it's home to many different things. Actually, there's like a theater inside. There's also a number of art galleries that do different kinds of displays. So sometimes painting, sometimes photography. And up here, well, I'll show you now. There's a lot of stuff that goes on. Um, a lot of students like to meet up here and go dancing. So just going to take you up there now. I'm going to push it because there's an old person here. Oop. So, and here we go. Going up, going up, going up. So today with the GR3 I'm going to be shooting in black and white, and I also am going to be using the if I show you here, this one, go down, the highlight weighted setting. This means that the highlights can't burn out. See, they can't blow out. So I'm shooting in the shutter speed priority, okay, and I've got it set to 1/320th of a second, ISO 100. This is giving me a setting of f5, which I think should be fine for most things that I want to do today. So now I'm just really going to look for shadows, like the shadows here. Afraid to get down low like this. And the way the light is falling off to each side, I like that. The image control, I have a choice here between hard monotone or using high contrast black and white, and I'm kind of torn between the two. I like what it does to the sky when you have it in hard monotone. So I think I'm going to start in hard monotone and then maybe switch later on. Textures and details, because there's some wonderful stuff if you look. Let me come around this side, like this sign. And the way the light spreads around this pillar. As the sun moves through the sky, it changes the relationship of the shadows and the angles. So keep an eye open for things that meet at interesting places. Over there, the shadows coming down on those three pillars. I'm pretty sure soon that shadow is going to come down to the corner of that pillar. So I need to be around there when it happens. This is nice. This is very nice. Looks great. Looks great in the viewfinder. I hope it looks so good when I get it back. Here is also nice. Right, it's getting there. It's getting there. The light is getting there. I'll show you what I mean. with the light coming down the pillar, and it's just catching the corner. And here we just have a little bit. You see it just here, just a little bit. Nice. You have to be fast. I see the reflections here, the reflections on the floor. This is where I need to change the metering, because highlight weighting kind of spoils it. I just made an elementary mistake and I'm going to share it with you. Okay, so before I'd set this up for capturing the highlights, right? But now I notice that I can't at 320. I'm underexposing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the ISO back to auto. That will fix that problem. So now the ISO will adjust to match. These guys really go for it, huh? Yeah, with these chairs, I like it's an odd number, 5. And then we have the reflection here, so this guy can be in twice. Red thermometer on there. I've never seen that before on a GR3. I guess that means it's reaching its temperature, a temperature limit. You know, it's a pretty hot day. It's about 32 degrees. So maybe that's the reason. Yeah. Okay. I think I'll turn it off a bit. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fly my drone a bit over here, get some drone footage, then come back to you guys in a bit. Hey, I've gone for pizza here, but they're not open yet. They open in about 5 minutes. So I've just noticed next to the pizza store is this. Look at this. Look at the detail and look at the texture and stuff here. That's a photo if ever I've seen one. I'm going to leave it here, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and get yourself out with your GR3 and experiment with the settings. I'd like to see what you can come up with. As always, like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and please leave any comments that you have below. Thanks again. Bye bye.